When I did the video yesterday about politics, just looking back over the last few weeks, someone asked me in the comments whether I thought Restore Britain was a safety valve operation or not. And I answered the question on the comments, but I thought about it a bit more and I think it does betoken a longer answer in its own on its own video. And so I would say here that I will agree that Restore Britain is a safety valve operation, but I don't think that's a bad thing. So I would explain that. We tend to think of safety valves as being a bad thing in politics, something not genuine, not authentic. And I think that's misplaced. If we look at what a safety valve actually is, derives from the age of steam, and it was found that steam appliances had the drawback of steam gathering and exploding. So it was found that by using something like a safety valve on an appliance or a steam engine or so forth, that the steam could be released, let off steam partially, and this would regulate the system and stop the compliance from exploding. So safety valve is actually a very good invention and a very good thing. Now, the term safety valve became used in the political context in the early 20th century by Indian nationalists, but they were fighting against the British colonial government in India. So the safety valve they complained about was used by the colonial administration. So when we think of the safety valve in politics as being negative, it's because we're thinking that the establishment is using political parties as safety valves. But the Indian nationalists were fighting against a colonial establishment, something that was imposed upon them and was alien to them as a people. The British establishment, for all its wrongs, is not alien to the British. In fact, the British establishment has one of the deepest and longest histories. It is very much part of all of us. And it is only revolutionaries who want to destroy the political establishment of Britain. And so, if we look at the political establishment as a steam engine and the political parties as safety valves, then that is actually a good thing because we don't want to destroy the establishment unless we are anarchists, socialists, communists, or revolutionaries. And I think as nationalists we're not. Therefore, we must look at politics itself as being a safety valve. Democracy is a safety valve. The monarchy, the aristocracy, started to adopt democratic arrangements in order to act as safety valves. Therefore, democracy itself is a safety valve per se. So if you are a democratic nationalist, then you are a safety valve. Every political party is a safety valve. So it's ludicrous for someone in political party Y to accuse political party Z of being a safety valve when all political parties are safety valves. They're there to prevent revolution. They're there to prevent the kind of chaos that we saw with the French Revolution or the Russian Revolution happening in Britain. We don't want to see that, not as nationalists. We want to preserve our traditions. Therefore, we accept that democracy is a safety valve and democratic political parties are safety valves. So the question then becomes, is Restore Britain a good safety valve? Because all political parties are safety valves. Now, reform is a safety valve, But is it as good a safety valve as Restore? Well, Restore seems to be a better political safety valve on the right at the moment because it's still behaving as a broad church. It's still getting people from all parts of the right wing spectrum on board. And that is, for me, an example of a good quality safety valve because it's inclusive on the right. The problem with Reform is turning a lot of people away, or a lot of activists away from joining in with them on the right. It's becoming really a club for ex-Tories and foul Tories. But Restore is still open to anybody on the right within reason. And so I would say that yes, Restore is a safety valve, but a very good one. And I would say that those Puritans who think that politics has to be pure are living in cloud cuckoo land, because politics will never be pure. Politics is always about compromise. There's no purity in politics. And so you have to accept that if you are engaging in democracy, you are engaging in the greatest safety valve ever created. And if you are part of a political party, you are part of a political safety valve. So as with a lot of things, if we understand it, then we can take it on board and say, yes, I am part of a safety valve and I'm proud of it. And we're going to make sure it's a very good safety valve.